Festo, and ready-to-install solutions. This is where you work, and these are automation systems, your core competency. You no doubt have your hands full with all that. Planning, project managing, coordinating, developing, researching, documenting, purchasing, assembling, testing, and certifying. What are your most important resources to do all of this? Of course, expertise and yes, time. Two resources that are always in short supply and that you would like to put to better use for other key tasks. How would that be possible? Here's the solution. Don't make it yourself. Have it made for you. Use the ready-to-install solutions from Festo. By working together with us, you will benefit from all our automation expertise. That means more expertise for all the engineering needed to design a customized, perfectly tailored solution for your system. And you gain time, especially during assembly and testing, but really across the entire process. That reduces your workload, a workload created by many individual process steps, just with ready-to-install solutions, like this, and this, and this. Ready-to-install solutions from Festo. For example, handling systems, control cabinets, mounting plates, modules, process valve units, integrated solutions. Ready-to-install solutions. More expertise, more time for you from Festo.